सर एक मिनट राव
40 plus 26 27 Aditya Desai.
So let me not go into negatives. Let me thank. It was not negative. It was kind of reality that needs to be given to everybody. So when there were trials for badminton, the best things go in terms of nationals. Suppose tomorrow we have to send the best team.
Good afternoon. It is a proud moment that we have hosted the state civil services tournament for all the government servants, and today was the concluding of all categories, whether it is men, women, singles, doubles, mixed doubles, and para civil service tournament also. So I am very happy that when we look at the participation, it gives us more motivation. So I am very thankful to Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant sir for supporting wholeheartedly such initiatives, and our own Minister, Minister for Sports Ramesh Tabadkar sir, for always guiding us to have this kind of organizing in a smooth manner. So as a state government, as a Department of Sports and Government, we are committed for promotion of sport and specifically supporting para athletes and their support system. We always have been very much thankful. When we see them playing, it is again giving us more inspiration to do better and better. So I congratulate all the athletes from different departments who have been playing for last 3-4 days, and today were the finals, and they have done through the finals, and I wish them best of luck. And the same people will again come for trial, and they will represent Goa for national civil service tournaments. So
why there is more participation this time, you think?
Really, this is true that this time we saw more participation than any other year. The reason is that I think we have been starting this tournament in time. There was better coordination by my team, Anand and Prakash, and entire Department of Sports. And if they had ensured that it reaches to every department, we have specifically made one schedule. The participation is more because in advance we have sent it to all departments what are the dates for the tournament that is going to happen, so that they have planned their duties, they have planned their, they have spoken to their HODs, and they have been here. So you will see all these tournaments which are scheduled on particular date in a particular month will happen. Soon we are starting with football civil services tournament that is starting from Monday. There will be carom, there will be other tournaments that are going to happen. I think that is the reason we have been looking for more participation, and department will support it fully.